Movie notes on The Lord of the Rings, The Return of the King. 2003 film. 30 December 2025 viewing. Here I, Tanis, she, her, hers of Seattle, talk through my movie notes for my Tuesday, 30 December 2025 viewing of the 2003 film The Lord of the Rings, The Return of the King, which is a fiction film about the culmination of an attempt of a 9-member fellowship seeking to destroy a ring, as well as the restoration of particular fellowship members socially following the conclusion of the attempt. Yes, so there's 3 parts: the Fellowship of the Ring, the 2 Towers, and the Return of the King. And so this is the culmination. They've been working all this time to take this ring to this place, and along with other storylines, and destroy the ring. And there's 9 people, and so it's a really great movie. This was my all-time favorite at one point in time, and it hasn't changed at all. But like, not joking, but like, yeah. So it's a really great movie in the sense of there's in the first 2 parts there's a bunch of different storylines that are kind of introduced. And this movie does such a wonderful job of tying them all together and like bringing them back into the story and concluding the stories. And so I really enjoy it for that reason. Of the 9, I identify and kind of have always identified as the hobbit named Pippin, who's part of a duo, Merry and Pippin. And I was thinking maybe like doing some sort of year-end, like what was this year like for me in 2 days on the new year, New Year's Day. And I was like, maybe I should incorporate this into that. I'm not a Frodo. I love second breakfasts and I can be a bit annoying, so that's kind of where I put myself as Pippin. And I can sometimes be a little bit tone deaf and not quite take things as seriously as I possibly should. So that's where Pippin over Merry. I'm not really a Frodo because I don't have a Schmeagol, which is an eternal youth hobbit. That's like, what, centuries old or something like that. I'm older than Frodo. Was like, unless, you know, Schmeagol is really that guy from the 2014 film Dracula Untold that's chasing Dracula, and Dracula is really my Luke Evans. Would that be news to me? So in that case, but I don't know if that's actually true. So if but that would be a different species. I'm not a vampire, right? So I'm a hobbit. So I was thinking about it. So I'm thinking about trying to integrate this into some sort of year summary / reflection. Yeah, it's wonderful. The music is really well done in this movie. I think in the Fellowship of the Ring and the 2 Towers, there's a bunch of music as well. However, it can be like overpowering, and this one they got the sound editing very right. It's really a military movie. It's so well done though. It's so well done. The battles are epic. The settings are epic, and even just like the war kind of military progression is like, they take these settings that have been in the previous movies and they move linearly through the different locations, and the kind of the battles are staged, or like the sourcing of soldiers is very linear in this movie, and cohesively brings things together, which is so cool. It's just such a great movie. So there we go. Those are my movie notes on The Lord of the Rings, The Return of the King, 2003 film, 30 December 2025 viewing.